Hey there, want to build an app without complex coding? In this video, you will learn how to build an app with Manus AI. Now, to build an app with Manus AI, here you will know how this AI is powerful for those who want to build smart app with less effort. Now, to do it, what you do now here, under this get started, slide here, this has features. Now here you can see develop mobile apps. Now here under develop mobile apps, you can see design, build and ship mobile apps with ease. Now here you can see, here are the begin prompts. Here you can see design. You ask it to design, build, you ask it to build, and also you can see ship mobile apps. You can see here. Now here there's two ways to access the feature, either by clicking it here or by clicking this plus icon here and then slide down here, and then you can see develop apps. Now click on develop apps here. And here you can see key prompts. Here you can see, now here to build your own apps. Now here I will type my own prompt here like this, build, comma. Now here is what I type: build an app that shows a person's actual age, and also add space, make this capital letter here. Now here is what I type: build an app that shows a person's actual age accurately using their upload picture. Now here is how the app will update based on what I asked it. Here you can see, and the app should be updating itself yearly. Now here, after describing how your app will be, now here what you do now is to click on this up arrow icon to send it here like this, or tap on it. Now here wait for it. As you can see, it is developing the app here. Now here you can see, based on I'm using the light agent, this app might not be that perfect accurate, but it will work. In order to make the app more good or standard, you will use the powerful agent, which is 6.1 max. Here you can see, by clicking here, you can see, now you can see minus 1.6 max. You can see here the pro version. Also you can see minus 1.6 here, you can see pro. Now here you can see the version I'm using, the light one here, minus 1.6 light here, so it might take time. So subscribe to the pro version in order to get the best result. Here I'll click on continue with light here and then wait for it. See, it is building it. Here you can see the level of the building and the research here. Now here, in case they ask you for API or the app asks you for API, we'll use it. But if you have the API, if you know the app API or the AI API, you can use it here. Manus AI is asking how you want the app to be. Now after describing how you want the app to be, what you do now here, I will use number 3 based on the app I'm creating here. You can see here. Now I'll click on send and then wait for it to keep developing the app. But your own might be different question entirely. Just keep answering the question based on how the Manus AI is asking you the question, for it to create a better application or for it to build a better application for you. As you can see, the agent app is complete. Now you can publish it by clicking this publish here. Now here you can see it wants you to publish it to Google. You can see here it wants you to publish. Now here you can publish the app by clicking on this publish here to publish it. And also you can also test the app by clicking this Edge emulator on top here. Just click on it and then wait for it. As you can see, it is loading the preview, which means it is loading the app, the preview of the app. Now here you can see the app. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now check the playlist on the screen in order to know everything about Manus AI on tutorial. See you on the next video. Peace.